Investors, another week has flown right on by, which leads us to, well, another week worth of more ex-dividend dates. Now, what exactly is the next dividend date? It's the day before the record date when a company checks the records to identify shareholders of the company. Now, listen closely, because if an investor fails to purchase a stock before the ex-dividend date, they're simply out of luck and won't receive the next dividend payment. Now, if you're new here, I'm Ari, a value and dividend investor on YouTube, here to simply keep you updated with economic insights, stock ideas, and all the information you'll need to reap more success as a dividend investor. As for today, I just want to run through 10 popular dividend stocks with their ex-dividend dates coming up on the calendar next week so you can invest into them and capture the dividends. Before we dive in, I only ask for your help in growing this channel, so if you find value in today's video, tap on that thumbs up button and subscribe to keep up your investing game in 2023 for everything dividend investing. Now, without further ado, let's dive right in. So to kick us off, for the week ahead on Monday, April 24th, we have L'Oreal, ticker symbol LRLCY, which is in the business of manufacturing beauty, hair, skin, fragrance, and personal care products. And a matter of fact, this cosmetics giant is the largest and most dominant cosmetics company in the world today, making it a reliable investment for the long term. As of this video, L'Oreal has a current share price of $92.42 with a current annualized dividend yield of 1.12%, resulting in a dividend amount of $1.03 per share with a payout date scheduled for May 19th. Moving into Tuesday, April 25th, it's the ex-dividend date for Lowe's, ticker symbol LOW, which is a leading home improvement retailer within the United States, Canada, and Mexico, and over the years has pivoted to become the everything home improvement retailer, with various product categories from building supplies to hardware and paints to kitchen, bathroom, and outdoor living. At this time, Lowe's has a current share price of $202.18 per share with a current annual dividend yield of 2.08%. That results in a dividend amount of $1.05 per share with a payout date scheduled for May 10th. Now, in addition to Lowe's, Prospect Capital, ticker symbol PSEC, also has its ex-dividend date on Tuesday. Prospect Capital is a business development company which engages in the lending and investing into private businesses while also involving itself in generating income and long-term capital appreciation through debt and equity investments. Its stock is currently priced at $6.89 with a current annual dividend yield of 10.28%. That results in a dividend amount of 6 cents per share with a current payout date scheduled for May 18th. Jumping right into Wednesday, April 26th, it's the ex-dividend day for Fastenal Company, ticker symbol FAST, which is engaged in the wholesale distribution of industrial and construction supplies, offering fasteners and related industrial and construction supplies under the Fastenal name. However, it is yours for the taking with a current share price of $53.27 per share with a current annual dividend yield of 2.4%. That results in a dividend amount of 35 cents per share with a current payout date scheduled for May 25th. Moving into Thursday, April 27th, we have a busier day starting with AG&C Investments, ticker symbol AG&C, which is a real estate investment trust investing into agency residential mortgage-backed securities on a leveraged basis. Now, as of this video, AG&C Investments is currently trading for a share price of $9.96 with a current annual dividend yield of 14.34%. That results in a dividend amount of 12 cents per share with that payout date scheduled for May 9th. In addition to AG&C, we also have Enterprise Product Partners, ticker symbol EPD, with their ex-dividend date on Thursday as well, which is a leading North American provider of midstream energy services to producers and consumers of natural gas liquids, crude oil, and refined products. Today, Enterprise Product Partners is trading for $26.98 with a current annual dividend yield of 7.06%, ultimately resulting in a dividend amount of 49 cents per share with a payout date scheduled for May 12th. Now, we also have Stag Industrial, ticker symbol STAG, with its ex-dividend date on Thursday, which is another real estate investment trust with a focus on industrial properties, specifically warehouses and fulfillment centers. As of this video, Stag Industrial is trading for $32.36 per share with a current annual dividend yield of 4.52%, which results in a dividend amount of 12 cents per share with that payout date scheduled for May 15th. And finally, another busy day to end the week on Friday, April 28th, starting with Citibank, ticker symbol C, which happens to be the third largest bank within the United States by assets, which may gift you with some more confidence in this leading financial giant at this time. Citibank has a current share price of $49.36 per share with a current annual dividend yield of 4.13%. That results in a dividend amount of 51 cents per share with a payout date scheduled for May 26th. In addition to Citibank, Hasbro, ticker symbol HAS, also has its ex-dividend day on Friday. Now, if you're really looking for a moneymaker, look no further because Hasbro is a children and family leisure product manufacturer with a portfolio of brands that dominate the market, whether it's their time-tested games like Monopoly or brands like Play-Doh to their newest brands like Transformer and My Little Pony. However, as of today's video, Hasbro is trading for $53.05 per share with a current dividend yield hovering at 5.27%. That ultimately results in a dividend amount of 70 cents per share with a payout date scheduled for May 15th. And finally, to wrap up the day and close out the week, Realty Income, ticker symbol O, has its ex-dividend day. As for Realty Income, it is the largest net lease solutions real estate investment trust, which means that after a client leases a property, the client is then responsible for all costs related to the property. That in and of itself makes for one heck of a business model, but it gets even better as their portfolio of single-tenant commercial properties spans across the United States as well as into the UK and Spain. And today, you can buy into Realty Income for as low as $60.69 per share, which would allow you to collect on their dividend yield coming in at 4.9%. That then ultimately results in a dividend amount of 25 cents per share with a payout date scheduled for May 15th. And there you have it, investors, 10 popular dividend stocks with their ex-dividend dates coming up next week, meaning if you want to get paid a dividend from any of them, the time is now to invest. But please remember, none of these stocks were shared today as a recommendation to buy them, but simply to inform you of the ex-dividend dates so you can continue to collect on all of the cash flow. And with that said, if you're invested in or about to invest in any of these stocks, let me know down in the comments below. Now, last but not least, remember, if you found today's video of value, please let me know by simply tapping on the thumbs up button and subscribing, as it helps me tremendously in growing this channel and reaching more dividend investors like yourself. Now, also keep in mind that the next video is right here and it should definitely be next up on your watch list. Now, until the next video, I will see you all there.